everyone. How are you all? Today I start with fine motor skills part 3. There are so many activities. 3 activities are in this video. Pour the sand activity. Second, stringing activity. Third is tongue using activity. These all are very good for your eye and hand coordination, and it also improves the child fine motor skills. Pour the sand activity. For this activity, we need one bottle or one jar with the sand and one empty bowl. In this activity, child hold the bottle or jar with one hand and he hold his next bowl with his other hand. Then he pour the sand with the concentration in that bowl. In this activity, the child improves in his hand and eye coordination, and he know the area, he know about the area. He put the sand in this bowl. In this activity, stringing activity, in this activity we required pasta, macaroni, some pieces of and 2 strings of wool. Take 2 strings of wool and dip it in the Fevicol. So this string will stiff. Child feel good to insert macaroni and pasta in this. And now tie 2 knots at the end of the string like this. 2 knots at the end of the string. It depends the size of the pasta or macaroni. Now teach the child hold with his again alligator hand one piece of pasta or any macaroni and insert in the string. Then next piece of pasta or macaroni in any size, you can use it. See, with this he is using his 2 hands. This fingers and thumb, index finger, tall man and thumb, and in this hand again he is using same hands. With this, see, like this, he is able to look at here. Now he know I take 1 piece of pasta and 1 piece of macaroni. Like this, he is able to make a necklace of his doll or of his mom. See, it's tough for a child to insert the thread in this piece. Again and again he will try, and his eye coordination and hand coordination is also improved in this. Help your child if he is having any problem in this, or you can take in starting some easy pieces like this only. Fine, simple pieces, or you can use these pieces only with the necklace. Use these pieces, simple. First use simple pieces. He feel good about this. Like this. Insert the pasta or macaroni piece in the string and make a necklace. See, with this activity, child improve his hand and eye coordination, and next patience and concentration also. It improves child motor skills also, fine motor skills. Now child feel happy when you when he make a necklace with the design of macaroni or a pasta for his or her doll, like this. In this activity, the child know how to use tongue. Please demonstrate the child how he hold the tongue with his hand, these fingers. In this activity, item requires are some piece of biscuits and some pieces of bread. Cut two breads in some take two slices and cut it in some part, and two empty plates. Now child will hold this tongue and only with the one hand. He use only one hand. See, parents, please take care. He hold this with one hand. He hold the biscuits and transfer these biscuits one by one in another plate, like this. They are very small. If they feel difficulty to hold the tongue, please help them and teach them how to hold it. Pressure is on his two fingers, thumb and next is index finger. When he transferred biscuits, then you give him bread slices. They are soft. It will little bit difficult. Then how to hold it and transfer. Teach the child how to hold and transfer the bread slices in another plate without using second hand, like this. This activity, child improve his eye and hand coordination, and with this activity his shoulders and elbow also used properly.